What if you could run a fundraiser that people actually got excited about? Not that there's anything wrong with bake sales or car washes or selling overpriced candy bars, but the truth is most people don't buy those things because they really want them. They just buy them because they want to support you. And once it's over, you raise the money, but there's no more coming in until you do it again. What if instead people were buying something they actually want and need at a price that actually makes sense, and your organization got paid every time they ordered without having to do anything extra? And that's exactly what we've created. And schools, churches, sports teams are calling it the easiest fundraiser they've ever done. Hi, my name is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of LiveGood. LiveGood has become the fastest growing supplement brand in the world. In fact, just in the last few years, we've grown to over 2 million people who have made the switch from the low-quality, overpriced supplement brands to get the highest quality products at prices that people can actually afford. And that's completely outside of the fundraising program. People are buying these products because they want them. They're changing their lives. Now, everyone needs supplements, but most companies mark their prices up 5 to 10 times or more, use low-quality ingredients, they don't show the third-party tests, and they spend more on expensive advertising and marketing than what they actually put in the product. Let me give you a few examples. Greens powders. You see them everywhere, and other brands are selling them for as much as $79 or more, and they're not even organic. At LiveGood, you get the highest quality, cleanest, healthiest, purest, premium USDA certified organic super greens for less than half the price. How about magnesium? Something everybody needs every single day, and most of us are not getting enough of. Other brands charge as much as $30 or $40. At LiveGood, you get the highest quality ultra magnesium complex for just $9.95. And that goes for all of our products, from our multivitamins to our collagen for hair, skin, nails, joints. A whole line of the healthiest skincare products on the market at the best prices anywhere. We have pet products, brain products, all highest quality at the lowest prices every single day. So how does this work as a fundraiser? Well, instead of asking people to buy things they don't really want, your students and members are sharing something that people already need. In fact, over 60% of people are already using supplements, and almost all of them are overpaying for lower quality products. So how your organization earns. Once you sign up to run a fundraiser, which doesn't cost you a penny, ever, we'll set you up with a website where your students can sign up to participate. It won't cost them anything either. When they do that, they'll select a username to get their own tracking link, which is connected to your organization. Nobody has to buy, warehouse, or physically sell any inventory or products. They just send their friends and family to their own website link, and anytime someone orders, your organization earns money. You'll get 20% on the first order, and this is where it gets really exciting. Unlike car washes and bake sales, people don't just buy supplements once. They buy them every month. So every time they order, you get paid again. Many of our customers have been ordering products every month for over 3 years. In fact, the average customer orders more than 8 times, an average of about $60 per order. So on a customer like that, you'd earn $12 on the first month and $6 each month after that, for a total of $54 just on that one customer alone. All while they got the best supplements on the market for the best prices anywhere. As we like to say, once people see LiveGood, they can't unsee it. Nobody's going back to spending $60 on a low-quality greens powder when they could get the best one on the market for just $19.95. Here are some examples. If you have just 20 people who participate in your fundraiser, and each one found just 3 friends or family members to support them, that would be 60 customers that you'd be getting paid on every single month. That's about $720 the first month and about $360 each month after that, without even having to do any extra work. What if you had 100 people participate? That'd be $3,600 the first month and $1,800 a month after that. 1,000 people, $36,000 the first month and $18,000 per month after that. In fact, you can start a new fundraiser each year while you're still getting paid on ones you ran years before. And the best part is, your students don't have to keep selling every month. They share it one time, and we do all the work to keep those customers engaged and ordering. We'll even provide your students with sample emails, social media posts, video ideas, and more that they can send to their friends and family. And to make it even more exciting for the kids, they can even win rewards and recognition the more new customers they bring, all while helping their friends and family get healthier. If you're ready to run the easiest, most fun, and most profitable fundraiser you've ever done, fill out the form on this page and you can start earning as early as next week. Fill out the form now. We can't wait to get you rocking.